Ginanap nitong Miyerkules ang pagdiriwang ng iftar sa Malaysian Embassy in the Philippines sa Makati City sa pangunguna ni Malaysian Ambassador Dato Abdul Malik Melvin Castellino. Ang iftar ay ang pagkain ng hapunan ng mga Muslim matapos ang isang buong araw na fasting o pag-aayuno tuwing banal na buwan ng Ramadan. Nakisa rin sa pagtitipon ang ilang opisyal ng gobyerno kabilang ang Makati Local Government Unit, media members at ilan pang mga bisita.
First and foremost, allow me to sincerely thank all of you for coming all the way here to the Embassy of Malaysia to celebrate the wonderful and peaceful month of Iftar. As you know, Ramadan is not only about being able to fast from dawn to dusk, but also about cultivating empathy, gratitude, and self-discipline. It reminds us of the strong sharing of food and wealth with those in need, and of strengthening social solidarity and care for the less fortunate. Gatherings such as Iftar also reflects the universal values of kindness, generosity, and inclusivity, which transcends cultural and religious differences. Tonight, we celebrate not only the breaking of fast, but also the spirit of togetherness. That's why I'm so happy to see so many of us who are not from the Muslim faith, but still here to celebrate this wonderful day of Iftar and Ramadan.
Bilang panahon ng pananampalataya at pagdinilay-nilay, binigyang diin din ni Ambassador ang kahalagahan ng kapayapaan, pagkakaisa at respeto anumang lahi, paniniwala o relihiyon. Kasabay nito, kanya ring nabanggit ang papel ng Pilipinas bilang ASEAN Chair.
Today, Philippines, as the chair of ASEAN, with the team Navigating the Future Together, hosted the ASEAN Ministers Meeting for the Asia Social Cultural Platform. And the ministers from the 11 ASEAN countries were there. And the theme of this meeting today shows how important it is, countries coming together in the area of social welfare and tourism and culture, and how coming together as one ASEAN nation, we can actually bring forth greater progress and inclusivity, and of course, inclusion of all the various communities present in our countries. All the ministers spoke very, very closely and to their hearts and how we need to work together. So this promotion of tourism not only reflects the importance for Malaysia and Philippines, but also as ASEAN as a whole, to ensure that we continue to work and progress together.
Kaugnay nito, hinahangad ni Ambassador na maging daan ang kapayapaan, pagkakaisa at pag-unawa sa pag-unlad sa kabila ng kasalukuyang kaguluhan sa ilang bansa, kabilang ang sigalot sa Middle East. Zenny Derama, nag-uulat para sa Golden Nation Network.